Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It's been such a long time that we've not posted a video on here, although we've been making lovely hairstyles. We've just not had the time to film, but today we're breaking the jeans and yeah, we're making yet another beautiful hairstyle, and I thought to just show you guys quickly. Ensure to watch the video to the very end so that you can see the outcome of this lovely style. And do drop a heart in the comment section if you like it, so that we can see that you actually do. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Enjoy the rest of the video.